As the government led by Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi completes 11 transformative years, India stands taller, driven by innovation, self-reliance and scientific progress. Aligned with this vision, CSIR, the nation's innovation engine, has been at the forefront, delivering breakthrough technologies to achieve the rise of a developed India.
CSIR's efforts resonate with the aspirations laid out in Prime Minister Modi's vision for Viksit Bharat 2047, an India that will be fully developed and self-reliant.
In the last 11 years, CSIR has worked tirelessly to translate scientific research into real-world impact, empowering sectors from health to energy, agriculture to industry. From setting Indian Standard Time independent of GPS, to introducing indigenous footwear sizing and homegrown certified reference materials in the form of Bharatiya Nirdeshak Dravyas, CSIR is helping shape a self-reliant nation. CSIR delivered the nation's first wax de-oiling plant in Assam, indigenized the production of hydrazine hydrate, and developed a homegrown process to synthesize azelaic acid from oleic acid. With zero liquid discharge and technology, CSIR enabled indigenous production of paracetamol. Achieving another milestone, CSIR has developed a rapid test kit for sickle cell anemia screening, enabling quick and affordable diagnosis, especially in tribal regions. CSIR introduced India's first indigenously developed hydrogen fuel cell bus and fuel cell catamaran under Harit Nauka initiative. It also pioneered the development of e-tractors, e-tillers. Taking a proud leap towards clean skies, CSIR has indigenously produced sustainable aviation fuel that powered India's first biojet flight and homegrown lithium-ion battery technology, building the future of clean mobility. Supporting India's zero-carbon emission, CSIR developed cutting-edge solutions. From anaerobic gas lift reactor technology, biomedical waste to soil additives, and wastewater to hydrogen innovation to converting agro-waste, parali and bamboo into eco-friendly boards and tiles. As we mark 11 years of scientific strides, CSIR reaffirms its commitment to building a future-ready India through research, resilience and revolutionary technology. CSIR's millet-based bun innovation, in collaboration with international brands, has brought a healthy twist to fast food, blending tradition with global taste. CSIR developed eco-friendly innovations like plant-based vegan leather and the Phoenix leather technology, redefining sustainable alternatives in the leather industry. With indigenous trainer aircraft technology, CSIR is boosting the nation's capability and efficiency in aviation sector. The development of an indigenous Raman spectrometer has further strengthened the Make in India initiative, marking a major leap in homegrown scientific instrumentation. CSIR's controlled blasting technology is playing a vital role in India's mining and infrastructure development, enabling safer, smarter and more efficient execution. The Purple Revolution brought through CSIR's Aroma mission has written a new chapter of growth in Indian agriculture, empowering farmers with high-value crops, sustainable livelihoods and catalyzing several agri-startups in the region. The journey doesn't end here. CSIR's steel slag road technology has given India a new momentum, forging a path that leads straight to the vision of a developed Bharat. CSIR, celebrating 11 years of innovation, empowering India's progress and steering the nation towards a scientifically strong and self-reliant Viksit Bharat.